नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम हिंदी का पार्ट 2 पार्ट का नाम है आ की मात्रा शुरू करेंगे। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद अ न्यू चैप्टर, दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 2 आ की मात्रा। वी नो दैट Hindi letters consist of Varnamala, that is Vyanjan and Swar. So this is Swar. In English we say vowels. So you can see a, e, u, ri, a, I, o, au, a. So before starting the symbols, you have to write these letters in your Hindi notebook. Next we have Vyanjan, that is consonants. You can see here it's starting from ka and the last one is gya. So you have to write these consonants in your Hindi notebook. Now we'll start this chapter, that is from page number 14. Chapter name is A ki matra. So you remember the first vowel is A. It has a short sound A. It doesn't have any symbol. The second swar, that is vowel, is A. It has a longer sound. And the symbol for this A is just a straight line, a standing line, and on the top sleeping line. So this means when we are using A symbol with ka consonant, it sounds ka. So you can hear it's starting from ka, but the sound is ending with A sound. This happens when we use A symbol. Now you can see here words with A letter. Arm, aag. Here you can hear the long sound of A. Akash. Now the next word is Kan. Here we are using A symbol with ka consonant. So it has ka sound. It has a longer sound. That is, it is starting with ka and ending with A sound. Ka. And the word is Kan. Kan means ear. Now here you can see the use of A symbol with the given consonants. So we know the consonant is ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Now we are going to use this A symbol with the given consonant. So the sound for this consonant is ka. So when we use A symbol, it sounds ka. This one kha, ga, gha and nga. We rarely use that vowel. Next one is cha, cha, ja, jha, ya. Now we are going to use this A symbol with these consonants. It sounds cha, cha, ja, jha, ya. Next set of consonants. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Now let's see how it sounds when we use A symbol. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Next set of consonants, that is ta, tha, da, dha, na. And it sounds ta, tha, da, dha, na. So these all consonants are given in your textbook. Next set of consonants, pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. So when we add this a symbol, it sounds pa, fa, ba, ma, sorry, bha, ma. Next set of symbols, ya, ra, la, va. So let's see how it sounds when we add a symbol. You have to repeat it along with me. Ya, ra, la, va. So it all starts with the consonant sound but ends with a sound. Next set of consonant, sha. It sounds sha, sha. It has double H sound, sha. This is sa, ha. So when we add this a symbol to it, it sounds sha, sha, sa, ha. It has a longer sound. Next one is shra, cha. K, I'll write it here. K, S, H, A. So it starts with ka sound, cha. This is tra. Next one is gya. This is shra. Now when we add this a symbol to it, it sounds ksha, tra, gya, shra. So it has a longer sound that ends with a sound. Now here in page number 15, some words are given. You have to read and understand. In Hindi it's written padhiye or samjhiye. Padhiye means read, samjhiye means understand. Now here you can see these words have a symbol. For first one, na is the consonant and we are using a symbol. So it sounds na. And next consonant is ka, nak. So I am going to read these words. You have to repeat it along with me. Nak, nak, that means nose. Haath, second one is haath, that means hand. Kaan, kaan, ear. Mal, mal, goods. Next one is gaan, that means anthem. Tal, rhythm. Ma, la. So here both the consonants have a symbol. Ma, la, mala means garland. Ta, la, tala, lock. Ga, na, gana, to sing. Na, na, nana means mother's father. In Hindi we call nana. Bala, young girl. Tara, star. Chhata, umbrella. Chara, chara, fodder. Jala, spider web. Kala, black color. Asha, that means hope. Chawal. So here no a symbol. That's why it has short sound. That wa and la have short sound. Chawal means rice. Badal, clouds. Akash, sky. So, I hope you all repeated these words along with me. You have to practice saying these words at least 2 to 3 times, then only you will understand its pronunciation. Next one is, let's read the sentences. आइए वाक्य पढ़े. Vakya means sentences. So, the first sentence is, Sapna tala laga. Here, you can see the use of A symbol. Sapna tala laga. That means, Sapna put the lock. Next one is, Raja gajar ka halwa kha. Raja eat the carrot halwa. Next one, Amla baja baja. Amla play the instrument. Baja means instrument. Jaya gana ga. Jaya is a name. So, Jaya sing a song. Rama chhata utha. Rama is also a name. Rama pick the umbrella. Chhata means umbrella. Aman dal chawal kha. So, Aman is also a name. Aman eat dal and rice. Next one. Garaj garaj kar badal aaya. Here, garaj garaj is the sound of thunder. That means, the sentence means the clouds are thundering. Next line. Jham 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 jal barsaya. Jham jham is the sound of rain. So, the meaning of sentence is, it's raining. Next line. Chhata uthakar Ram aaya. So, Ram is a name. Chhata, umbrella. Uthakar means to pick. So, Ram picked the umbrella and he came. Next one. Naav banakar jal par bahaya. So, he made a boat and shed it on water. Next line. Thak kar Ram vapas aaya. Garam garam khana khaya. Garam garam means hot hot. Khana food. Khaya to eat. So, Ram came back tired and ate hot food. So, this is the meaning of these sentences. But the thing is, you have to practice it at least 2 to 3 times. Then only you will understand the sound of A symbol. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.